What is going on YouTube? It is Mr. Graves back again here with another video. Today we're going to be talking about more instant cash strategies with least ad space and how instant cash strategies will work with the last year being broke plan. Alright, so basically least ad space, you have different traffic packages. You can go up to how it works so you can get a little bit more into detail on how the advertising works, and as well as the affiliate marketing program. And the affiliate marketing program is what makes this an instant cash strategy, because whenever someone, you can click on it right here, how it works, this is how it works, this is how you make money. Whenever someone buys a traffic package from you, you get a commission. Here's the requirements for if you want to become an affiliate. Is this a one-time $10 fee to become an affiliate? You are forever, and then with that $10 fee, you will be a long-time member of Lease Ad Space, and you'll be able to earn instant Bitcoin commissions forever for just a one-time fee. So yeah, you're basically selling traffic packages to the customers, to the prospects. And I can go back to my dashboard, and as you can see, I made two sales to date. So I want to go, and you even have a lot of other things to offer with the $10 fee. You get a limited reoccurring solo ad. And let me see what else here. Benefits. You can go to benefits. You can get here's the benefits here. And because I'm only with the Pearl package, so I'm only able to sell the Pearl package, and the Pearl package is only $7. Now let's say if I wanted to purchase the next package, then I will be able to sell that package and earn $17 commissions, and those will be instant directly to my Bitcoin address, to my Bitcoin wallet. I can go to edit my profile. It's my profile, and you can go to affiliate settings and Bitcoin, and then just plug in your Bitcoin wallet address, and that's really simple to do. I have a Bitcoin app on my phone, the blockchain app. As you can see, I can just get my code from there and plug it in right here. So whenever I get a commission, I'll be able to cash that out instantly. For this being an instant cash strategy, it would be great if you would also think about promoting lease ad space on ibotoolbox, because ibotoolbox is a platform to where people come to get exposure to their business. So lease ad space and the members of ibotoolbox would go hand in hand with each other. So just keep that in mind as well. ibotoolbox is a place where people come to promote their business. So why not promote lease ad space on this platform? Create some press releases talking about the instant cash strategy, the affiliate marketing, the affiliate program. From lease ad space, you can just do a simple press release. Go to the PR tool, and you even get credits for creating press releases. So I'm going to create one right now, right here, and you can put lease ad space, but it's lease ad space. You're going to put your affiliate link right here, and then you can put up to as many characters as you want for the content of the press release. So yeah guys, I really just wanted to just talk about a few instant cash strategies before because like I said in my last video, I'm also in the process of making a transition from low ticket offers to a bit of a higher ticket commission offers. So keep that in mind when you're making that transition. If you don't have enough money to pay for traffic, you can do some other things that doesn't require you money, but it does require time, you know. So if you don't have a traffic budget yet, you can start off by doing, you know, free things like this, creating YouTube videos, etc. Putting your, you know, putting yourself out there and putting your offers out there on your YouTube channel. Let people know what you got going on. And yeah, just doing some free marketing that will help you guys. Still, when you're just starting out in the low ticket offers, I know that can be pretty hectic, you know. You know, budget's money is pretty tight in the low, and when you're in that low ticket area, I know the money can be kind of tight. So it's best to use free marketing strategies to help you, because you don't want to necessarily be paying a lot of money for traffic just for a low ticket offer. It would just be better if you put yourself in the best position when you're just starting out, and then once you make that proper transition to the higher ticket offer, then it will make more sense to run traffic to that higher ticket offer. And then once you start getting a couple of sales under your belt, and then you can use half of your profits, and roll it back into traffic, so you won't be coming out of pocket all the time for traffic. Thanks for watching, guys. I just wanted to make this quick video talking about instant cash strategies and everything else. Thanks for watching. All the links will be in the description, and I will see you on the inside.